So we didn't walk too far, and now we have a decision. We can either go down the hill or go up the hill. And then if you go up there, you can see our fortress, and you can also see our Macau flag. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Flag. Actually, that's kind of interesting because these days I usually see the Macau flag with a Chinese flag. That's interesting. Anyways, we're here, and now we get to see some of the views. And so now you kind of got, I guess I'll label this one kind of walking along Guia Hill, I guess. And then in a minute, we're gonna go up there, and things are usually in Chinese, Portuguese, English. This is English, 1622 to 1638 is when this was built. Dutch invaded 1622, okay. So that's that Dutch thing, right? I think that's the Japanese version too. So, okay. And then you got your views and a place to just sit back and relax. I wouldn't mind sitting back and relaxing. Actually, that building, I tried to film that not too long ago. It's such a giant building. I don't know if you remember that when I kind of walked along this other little crestway that seemed pretty high at the time. It was actually quite low compared to this one. And that building looks quite high in that other video. So we have a nice little mixture of cool views everywhere here. Lisboa. And there's our not sure how to get in there. I thought we had to go in another way. I don't know. Maybe we'll just keep on walking. But anyways, that's our Guia Hill, and this is our view. So we'll see if we can get up this way. If not, I might be coming back again. Okay, I don't know if I missed. There's another way to get in. I don't know, maybe it's closed today. Way in the distance is the bridge to Hong Kong. That's Taipa. That hill right there is Taipa. I don't know, I think we might, this might be as far as we can go. I don't know, I thought we had access to Guia Hill, but we might not have it. Sands Casino, Fisherman's Wharf, that little area right there is Fisherman's Wharf. All these tall buildings. There's a big lake that comes around, and oh, there's a lake over there. Huh. And way over there, the green stuff over there, that's they're building all this reclaimed land, and then on the other side, that's the thing that goes to Hong Kong. So that went way over in the distance. Might be the one that separates and goes to Zhuhai. I'm not sure. There's a bridge way over there. I think it's a bridge. Anyway, it's this closest one goes to Taipa. And I don't know, I thought we could get up to Guia Hill, but usually I don't come from this direction, so this is kind of a more unusual way to go. So we're gonna see if we can get around in another way, and then wish us luck. If not, then we can go down this way. And these little paths right here, they go all the way down, and then we can get somewhere in that area. That might be a good direction to go. And if we can't get up there, then that's going to be it for us. So anyways, I think I have filmed up there before. So if I can try to find it, I'll include it. And maybe we'll just end this one right here, I guess. Found it. Okay. Cool tree. And we're gonna walk right up in here. Hello. Công chào quá. Is there... We can't go up? Can we take a look? It says I can't. It says you can't take a look. So I don't know. I don't know if there's supposed to be... I don't know. Might not be able to take a look here. Oh, it closes at 5:30. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. So it's closed. Closes at 5:30.
Oh.
So okay. Thank you. Okay, so I guess we missed it by 15 minutes. But that's it up there. So we'll just take a look at this view, and I guess that'll be our video right there. So I hope you enjoyed that one. We'll do another video soon.